Sorry, I forgot their name. Mr. Monir Boy and his wife. They come from all the way from Canberra. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Now, program will be closed. Our General Secretary, he will give you thanks.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. So I'd like you to give the vote of thanks. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of President, Mr. Murdoch George, the Executive Committee and all members of Bangladesh Association of Australia, I offer our sincere thanks to everyone who have made this event possible. We are deeply honored by the presence of Honorable Premier, New South Wales and Honorable Minister Matt Tisselman MP and Honorable Michael Daly MP, Mr. David Moncrief, Mr. Nathan Hagee, Mayor Darcy Lord and all other. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for to Multi-Faith React and Uncle David Bell hope us this program with the respect and reflect that unity. Our special appreciation goes to our sponsor, supporter who generally has unveiled Bangladesh Association of Australia to bring our community together. We also thank to Chalantika editor and production team, our speaker, cultural performance, musician,